Hello.
Bola.
Good
Yes,
morning.
sir. Good morning,
Uh,
sir.
Good morning. We'll start now. It's visible, this one. Hello. 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 Hello.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's visible, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Last class I given one problem, no? I will solve you how to this one. Okay. See here. Last class I given one problem. Can you tell me that problem? Anyone? Given based on the bipolar junction transistor. Correct? What is the values I given here? Anyone you can tell me past? Hello? 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 It's audible or not? Hello? 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 Hello?
Audible, sir.
Audible, huh? Okay, last class I given one problem, no? You can tell me that problem, no? Hello?
I was not there in last class, sir.
Who are present last class here? Last class, Prithvi is also present here. Okay, last class I given one problem based on this example. Can you hear me, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here. I will show you. Last class I given one problem. VCC is equal to, I given to the VCC is equal to 50 nodes. VCC is equal to 50 nodes. And I given, see here, VCC is equal to 50 nodes. And also given RC is equal to 1.5 kilo ohm. See here, RC is equal to 1.5 kilo ohm. RC is equal to 1.5 kilo ohm. 1.5 kilo ohm. This is RC, and RB I given to the 0.5 kilo ohm. 0.5 kilo ohm. RB, I told you, you can find out. You can find out IB for input voltage, but and you can see here how to this one solve this problem. We'll see one by one. Okay. Now this is how to apply finding the IB. IB is equal to what you have to apply. Apply KVL. VCC minus IB into RB minus VB is equal to 0. See here. VCC minus IB into RB minus VB is equal to 0 for input terminal. Getting my point here? Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
It is visible, no? Hello?
Yes, sir, it's visible, sir.
Okay, now apply this. VCC minus IB into RB minus VB is equal to 0. 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 So now we can take outside for IB. Remaining is VCC minus VBE divided by RB. Here I given the problem for last class. VCC is how much? 15. We can write it as IB is equal to VCC is 15. What is the value for VBE? VBE for forward bias junction. For what I told you, for forward bias junction, just you have to ask 0.7 volts. You can write as 0.7 volt. You can write as subtract for this 0.7 volts divided by, you can write as divided by RB is how much? RB is for 0.5 kilo ohm. K is nothing but into 10 to the power of how much? Into 10 to the power of plus 3 or minus 3. 10 to the power of 3 will get the values of IB. How much will get? 15 minus 0.7. How much will get here? 15 minus 0.7. Anyone you can tell me? How much will get this?
14.3.
Okay, write it here 14.3, correct? This is equal to 14.3 divided by 0.5 into 10 to the power of 3. What is the values you'll get? 14.5 divided by 0.5 into 10 to the power of minus plus 3. How much you'll get? How much you'll get this? Calculate now.
0.02.
0.02, correct? This is equal to 0.02. 2 is what is the SI unit for this IB current?
Ampere, sir.
Amperes. You can read as 0.2 amperes. Okay. This is for what you took. You will calculate it to the IB. Now you can calculate the IC. Now you can see here how to write the IC. Now you can read as how to find out the IC. This is my transistor. Correct? This transistor is connected to the base terminal and emitter terminal, collector terminal and emitter terminal. Before writing this, you can write as where IB is equal to, you can write as IB is equal to where IB is equal to IC is equal to IB is equal to IC is equal to and I is equal to constant and I is equal to constant. You can read as constant. See here, you have to find out the IC. What you have to write it? IC is equal to beta into IB. IC is equal to beta into IB. See here, already you got the values for IB. You can assume beta values. You can add as where assume beta is equal to assume beta is equal to 60. Where beta is equal to 60. Now you can add as 60 into 0.2, correct? 60 into IB is how much you got? 0.2 amperes. You can read as 60 into 0.2. How much you'll get this IC values? Multiply this. Anyone?
12.
12, sir.
12 amps, correct? This is for I said you have to find out IB and IC. Next you have to find out the VCE for output terminal. This is my output terminal here. VCC minus IC into RC minus VCE is equal to 0. See here in the next diagram also I have written here. How much you have to write? VCC minus IC into RC minus VC is equal to 0. What is the, how to write this equation? Take outside for VCE. VCE is equal to VCE is equal to VCE is equal to VCC minus VCC minus IC into RC IC into RC. Now we have to substitute the values. What is the VCC values? VCC is equal to 12 volt or 15 volts. 12, correct? Minus, how much you got? IC is 12 amps into RC. What is the values RC? 1.5 kilo ohm is nothing but you have to write it as into 10 to the power of 3. You can write as 10 to the power of 3. Oh, how much you'll get VCE this? Calculate anyone. Note down these problems. This problem is very important for external examination. Tell me the values. How much you got this? How much you got? Anyone? Take notebooks. You have to note down all the formulas and you have to practice. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. Okay. Yes, sir. I will come. Sir. See how much you got these values. Hello, students.
10.2, sir.
10.2.
2.
What is the SI unit? SI unit. Voltage, no? Collector to emitter voltage. Don't get confused for this. Okay. Now, see here. After getting what equation as what I told you, this is VCC. We are applying the 12 volts for the two terminal, base terminal as well as collector terminal. Now we have to find out the separate for base and collector terminal. You can compare how much voltage is transferred to the base terminal and collector terminal. Then you have to compare to the VC also, whether we'll get the exact result or different. Shall I write it here? See here, I will apply only base terminal VCC minus IB into RB. Don't take this transistor values. Now you can write as VCC. You can write as VCC minus IB into RB. VCC minus IB into RB. Take outside for IB. IB is equal to VCC divided by RB. Now what is the values for VCC? This is equal to VCC is 12 volts. RB is for 0.5 kilo ohms. That is you can read as into 10 to the power of 3. How much you'll get now? Calculate this. You can assume, you can read as this is for base terminal of 1. How much you'll get this? How much you got? Hello? How much you got this?
0.024.
0.024.
024.
0.0. How much you got?
24, sir.
Tell me loudly.
0.024.
0.024. Okay. Now we can see the second one also. You can apply the KVL for VCC minus IC into RC is equal to 0. Don't consider as this transistor. You can add as VCC minus IC into IC into RC. Okay, equal to 0. You can take outside for IC VCC divided by RC. Take outside for this IC VCC divided by RC. Now VCC is 12 volts, RC is for 1.5 kilo ohm. K is nothing but you can add as into 10 to the power of 3. How much you got? How much you got?
0.008, sir.
0.008. First you have to say compare IB1 is for 0.002. Output will get IC will get 0.0008 and VCE is how much you got? 0. VCE. Previously we calculated no VCE. How much you got? How much you got VCE?
0.024.
0.024. You have to compare these three. Which terminal will take more voltages when you are connected to the short circuited collector and base terminal, but that is reverse bias VBE, it will take less voltages, and forward bias it will take more voltage. That is nothing but you can take collector is equal to 0.08 and base terminal is for 0.02. That will be differentiate will be a point to vary. It will be varying from the base terminal as well as collector terminals. Here then you can apply the voltages for VCE also. You'll get the 0.0024 or whatever it may be. That is also it will difference. Then it may be vary. It will not give the. It will not vary the output for constantly. Okay. It may be vary. Now we can see here. Next is we'll go. Any doubt this problem? Any doubts? Hello,
No,
this
sir.
understood now how to solve this?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt this? Okay, now we'll go to the next one is, I will show you, next one is, last class we discussed about the base biased fixed bias. Okay, now today I will explain the collector to base bias. Here in the collector to base bias, in the circuit shown in the above figure, here also there are three terminals: collector, base and emitter terminals. See here in this collector and base terminal, if you are referring any notes or any textbook, don't get confused. Some of the textbook people they connected this is for register here. Don't get confused for this. They're short circuited. You can apply the VCE. This is for this. That is also you can take. This is VCC. You can see here. This is for VCC. This is for RB. And also you can apply for the IB. This is for RB and IB. Don't get confused. Don't use this one. Okay. Now see here in the collector to base bias, there are three terminals: collector, base and emitter terminals. Base terminal always you can apply the voltage input, and always you have to calculate the output voltage through the collector terminal. When a reverse bias VC is equal to 0.3, VB is equal to 0.7. Here, when the current through collector current, this is when you are applying the voltages through this terminal, collector terminal, it is a not collector current, where this is equal to, can read as this is equal to IC dash is equal to IC plus IB. Why I am given to this? These two are short circuited, IB and IC. You can add it this. IC dash is equal to IC plus IB. However, the level of IC and IC dash for exceed the usual of levels of IB, and approximately it will be same for IC and IC dash. I told you, while substituting this, IC is equal to IB is equal to I is equal to, we'll get the approximately all the values. Because of that only we are considered as constant values. Then you can read as this is my beta. You can read as the IC is equal to one transistor is connected to the emitter terminal. We can read as IC is equal to beta plus 1 into IB. That is for, you can read as the second equation. And next you can see when you will apply this circuit diagram for input terminal, and when you will apply the output terminal, we will see the one by one. See here, when you will apply the input and output terminal, we will see this one. Next you can see, while taking this input and output terminal, now we will apply the, how to apply the input and output terminal. My input is, tell me any doubts? Any doubt? Here, this is short circuited. Don't consider this RF. If you'll get the confused. See here, applying the input voltage. This is my VCC. IB into RB minus VBE minus I into RE is equal to 0. See here, this is equal to 0. Before considering, you can take the beta also. How to consider? VCC minus IB into RB minus IB into RB minus beta into I into RE is equal to 0. Take outside for the IB, values will get the VCC minus VBE divided by RB plus beta into RC plus RE. This is for input terminal. When IC is equal to beta plus 1. When IC is equal to beta plus 1. See here, while taking this input voltage, don't get confused for the IB values, RB values. This you can delete this, use the RB values. This is for resistor. Here it will be connected to short circuit for the VCC. See here, in the VCC also, you can see this. Next one you can see here. Next, you can applying KVL for output terminal. While applying the KVL terminal for the output terminal is VCC minus IC into RC minus VCE minus VCE minus I into RE is equal to 0. Take outside for the VCE, VCC minus IC into RC plus RE. Here you can read as, where IC is equal to IB is equal to I is equal to constant. Okay, don't get confused. This is for the collector to base bias configuration or base bias circuit. Here we'll see this one example for the, take down one example. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Take one example for the collector to base bias. Take for the circuit shown in the figure. For the circuit shown in the figure. For the circuits shown in the figure. For the circuit shown in the figure. Note down everyone. For the circuit shown in the figure, VCC is equal to 15 volts. VCC is equal to 15 volts. VCC is equal to, you can note down, VCC is equal to, for the circuit shown in the figure, VCC is equal to 15 volts. VCC is equal to 15
Sir.
volts. Tell
Sir,
me.
should we assume 15 volts, sir? They will give, sir.
Sometime they will give. If they're not given, you have to assume 15 volts or 12 volts. Okay.
VCC,
Most
sir.
of the time they will give you. If sometime they will not provided, by the time you have to assume the voltage.
15 volts, sir.
15 or 12 volts.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, for the circuit shown in the figure, VCC is equal to 15 volts. VCC is equal to 15 volts. And
Sir, can you just repeat the question, sir?
VCC is equal to 15 volts. RC is equal to 4 kilo ohms. RC is equal to 4 kilo ohm. RC is equal to 4 kilo ohm. And RB is equal to 3 kilo ohm. And RB is equal to 3 kilo ohm. RB is equal to 3 kilo ohm. RE is equal to 1 kilo ohm. RE is equal to 1 kilo ohm. RE is equal to 1 kilo ohm. 1 kilo ohm. And IC is equal to, and IC is equal to, and IC is equal to 10 microamps. And IC is equal to 10 microamps. And IC is equal to 10 microamps. To find IB, to find IB, to find IB, to find IB, beta, to find IB, beta, VCE, to find beta, VCE. Again, you have to find VB and VC and VE. Clear the problem? Hello?
Sir, repeat the last line, sir.
Okay. 1 second, I will tell you. For the circuit shown in the figure, VCC is equal to 15 volts, IB is equal to 3 kilo ohms, RC is equal to 4 kilo ohms, RE is equal to 1 kilo ohm, and IC is equal to 10 microamps. To find IB, beta, VCE, comma, VB, comma, VC, and VE. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to solve this problem. Next class, I will continue this. Okay? Hello? Hello?
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
get confused. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. There is no problem. Next class, I will continue the same problem. Again, I will solve this and tell me the answer for this. Okay?
Sir,
Huh.
the circuit diagram is same, sir, for the problem.
Circuit diagram, you can take this. And you have to change this while taking circuit diagram. This one you can see small changes. Same diagram you can take. This is you can consider as short circuited. This is VCC. This is for RB. Okay, this is for IC. IB. Don't take this. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Understood? Hello? 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 Hello?
Yes, sir.
And take this diagram. I will share this PPT in the group also. You can go through it. And tomorrow I will solve the problem. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. ಏನು ಏನಂತ ಮೇಡಮ್?